Hello coders, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode medium problem. Add two numbers. We are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in the reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the nodes in the form of linked list. You may assume that two number does not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. Let's see the example. Like we are given two numbers 342 and 465 in the reverse order, and we have to return the sum 807 in the reverse order, like 708 in the form of linked list. Similarly, if when we see the example 2, it's 0 0 and sum will be 0. Similarly, example 3 contains 999 only, and the L2 contains 999. So you can see in the output set we have one extra length, that is the carry. Like the length of the input is 7 and the result output length is 8, because there is a carry. Because if we add something with 9, then there will be a carry which will be forwarded, and if the length is exhausted, then that will be that extra node is added to the result. Let's see the example. Here we add the nodes one by one and we check for if there is a carry or not, and we will store the unit digit inside the result set, and the carry will be forwarded if there is any. And again we will do the same for the next, like 4 plus 6 is 10, then the 0 will be stored and the carry of 1 will be forwarded into the next nodes. Then again we will check for same, like 4 plus 3 plus carry, and if it is 8, but if it is greater than 8, then again we will do the same and carry will be forwarded, and that carry we will add in the form of one extra node. In this way we can compute the solution in the linear time complexity. Let's see the solution of the code. I have written the solution in the Java for the add two numbers problem, which is a linear time complexity. Even with the list class list node, with the structure like it contains interval, next, and there is a constructor to create the new list node. Inside the answer, what we have done is we have created a result node which will help us to return the new sum list. Then we have created a current so that it will help us to loop through the lists, and there is a carry which we are storing initially because carry will be 0. Then we are looping through the linked list, both linked lists, till there is a node inside any of the linked list. Like if L1 not equal to null, or because we are using or, because if there is any one, then we have to store that value inside our result. Then if there is a carry also in after the both nodes are complete and carry is greater than 0, then we have to store that value inside the sum. Then again what we are doing is we are taking the values of both list one by one. If there is a value, then we are taking that value, otherwise we are taking it as a 0. Similarly for n2. And what we are doing, we are taking a sum variable, we are adding all the values with a carry, and we are storing the unit digit inside the sum, and rest is forwarded in the form of carry. Then we are creating a new node in the current dot next equal to new node, and then we are looping the list to the next if it exists. Then we are moving to the current pointer to the next. While this is complete, we will have the result. This result node will contain the result answer, and we will return the result dot next, so that it will point to the result in the reverse order. This is the complete solution. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share this video, as it will help others to crack the interviews. Thanks.